Hello developers, welcome to my first JavaScript video about JavaScript sets and spread operators. So let's begin with a JavaScript set. In JavaScript set is a collection of unique values. A set can hold any value of any data types. Consider if we have one array with a duplicate value in it, but we want a unique value from the array. That time we can easily get a unique value from the array using a JavaScript set. Or even if an array contains a duplicate string in it, JavaScript set can easily create a new array with a unique string. JavaScript set has some properties also. In this video, we are not going to check all properties but some useful properties like size. We want a count of a set. That time we can use size property to get a count of a set. Here set has only two values in it. Second one is add. To add a value in a set, we can use add function properties. It add value at the end of a set. To delete a value from the set, we can use a delete functions. In the delete function, you can delete one element at a time from a set. If you use a multiple delete function like add function, it throws exceptions, so be careful when you using a delete functions. Other set properties are clear. To clear all set elements, we use clear functions. Entries. It returns an iterators object which contain an array having the entries of the set in the insertion order. Hash. It checks set contains specified element or not. It's returned true if it has value in it. Values. It returns all the values from the set in a same insertion order. Keys. It also returns all the values from the set in its insertion order. For each is execute the given function once for every element in the set in the insertion order. Subset. It returns true if set A is a subset of set B. Union. It returns a set that consists of a union of a set A and set B. Intersection. It returns the intersection of set A and set B. And last one is difference. It returns the set which contains the difference between set A and set B. Now we are going to check the spread operator in JavaScript. The spread operator is a new addition to a feature available in the JavaScript ES6 version. The spread operator is used to expand or spread an iteratable or any array. In JavaScript, spread operators are defined using three dots. Consider if we have two array and from that two array we need unique value and also other values that are not common in these two arrays. First, we need to combine these two arrays. To combine two arrays, we can use the spread operator from two different arrays. We can easily create one array and find out a unique value from that array using JavaScript set. That's it guys for today. Hope you are learning something new from this video. Thank you developer. Keep coding and learn new techniques every day. Also do like, comment and share video. Bye bye.